Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be for those who are looking for a part-time job. Of course, we're going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just always ask that if you find this job lead helpful, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button and sharing with all your friends and family. But diving right on in, today's job lead is from the company Omada Health. Omada Health has 158 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. They're hiring a member support agent. This is going to be part-time and remote for the United States only. This is going to have no benefits associated with it since it is a part-time position. They're looking for somebody to work anywhere from 16 hours a week up to 24 hours per week. And of course, they are paying anywhere from $16.54 an hour all the way up to $20.67 an hour. That pay range is going to be dependent on your location and experience. But they're basically looking for somebody to respond to emails and phone calls from members with concerns and queries concerning their Omada program and app. So Omada Health has a health app, and so you're looking for the customers that are part of that app and health program. You're going to be enthusiastic about educating people about the program, ready to assist members in overcoming any obstacles they have, assuring a rapid resolution and a great experience. They want someone who isn't scared to ask questions and who's excited to learn about those new products and features and changes so you can better serve the members and the customers that you're taking those questions from. Now, they're looking for somebody who enjoys working as part of a team and delivering excellent customer service. They are not requiring any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who has experience in a growing startup. They want somebody who has 6 months to 1 year experience in customer service, someone who can be a problem solver, and someone who can be process oriented. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please give this video a thumbs up like button. If you enjoy job leads like this, share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.